My name is Azim and I'm Sec 3. I study at MasterMaths and I joined here in July, and my math didn't actually pass for mid-years. And after I joined MasterMaths, my math really improved and I got A1 for my end of year. So basically I feel like the environment I've been given is very conducive and comfortable, that I don't have to drag myself to tuition every week, and it gives me it makes me more willing to study A-math and more determination to do well for my A-math. So the notes were really helpful because there were a lot of tropical questions where I managed to actually work on the chapters that I'm weak at, and yeah, it really helped me to build up on my basic knowledge on A-math. So I feel like my friends here and the coach here make me feel like I feel welcome and makes me like want to study harder for my A-math, and it really pushes me, and yeah, and that's why I feel thankful that I got my A-math 85 for my A-math for end of year. And before this I went for another tuition and I didn't feel the same way, so I'm really thankful that my mom had me found this tuition and I'm very happy.